Thank you for the kind introduction. I'll go through this real quick. It's really a privilege for me to be part of this ceremony, to talk about the rise of cost-effective AI unlocking exponential opportunities. So, when addressing a distinguished gathering of world-leading AI academics and innovators, it's always a learning time, and I've learned a great deal just being here. The key thing that I'd like to share with you, which I believe someone also mentioned, is that we stand at a pivotal moment. For years, AI's potential has been talked about, but often accompanied by concerns about high cost and complex implementation. But now the landscape is shifting, especially with the introduction of compact AI. We're entering an era where AI will become increasingly cost-effective, and this evolution is unlocking truly exponential opportunities. So let's talk about some relevant issues here. First, efficiency and optimization will be driven across different industries. Cost-effective AI has the ability to revolutionize industries. We know in manufacturing, it can optimize supply chains, and it can enable predictive maintenance, drastically reducing waste and downtime. Healthcare is another example where we have cost-effective AI accelerating things like drug discovery and personalized treatment that will lead to better outcomes at lower cost. In finance, I was at HSBC for well over 16 years. When we talk about detecting fraud and automating customer service and improving efficiency, that's another example where we can see the use of cost-effective AI. Secondly, another point, we're seeing democratization of AI, and some of the speakers have talked about this. The high cost of computing power, cloud services, and proprietary tools are inhibiting the democratization of AI today. Advanced AI development, as we see it, has remained largely with the top and the big tech giants, and this has prevented startups and small enterprises from fully leveraging its potential. This limits innovation and slows the development of diverse application. But we know with compact AI, we believe this can change and will change. Another third point is bottlenecks to wider adoption that we see. AI models, as we all know, and as shared by several speakers today, rely heavily on GPUs. They're powerful, but they're expensive resources, which not only costly, but they're also limited in availability. So this makes scaling AI solutions a significant challenge. When we run these advanced models on CPUs, they will lead to performance bottlenecks, making real-time or large-scale deployment nearly impossible. Techniques that we know about, like quantization and distillation, help reduce the computational load. But what usually happens is accuracy often takes a hit, making these solutions far from ideal. This poses a major problem. AI remains out of reach of many researchers, developers, and institutions, and this goes to the digital divide that was talked about earlier on, especially those without access to elite infrastructure. But the increasing cost effectiveness will help address all these problems. And that's where compact AI comes in. We believe that compact AI can help solve these problems. Compact AI for us, and spending time with Rishikesh and his team, is the first infrastructure product in the global market to unlock true value of AI on CPUs. Already we know the platform supports 17 foundational models, with plans to support over 100 later on this year. AI models will be available across thousands of data centers worldwide as a result of developers no longer having to wait for limited GPU resources. With this comparable speed of inference as expensive GPU chips, we believe compact AI's platform makes development for next generation AI applications faster, it will be cheaper, and highly accessible. This will definitely foster a wave of innovation, driving new applications we haven't even imagined yet. So to bring it to a conclusion, breaking open cost-effective AI is not a future possibility. It's our present reality that must happen. And it's a welcome development to see IIT Madras and compact AI making this a reality. We now have a unique opportunity to shape the future, to to drive the responsible and widespread adoption of AI that will benefit all these industries that I mentioned and much more, but not just the industries, but society as a whole. So I encourage all of us, let us embrace this challenge and unlock the exponential opportunities that lie ahead. Thank you so much for letting me share these words with you.